Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Broke. It is a beginner's line dance that move counter. That move clockwise, and there's two restarts, and I'll go over that. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance with the demo to the music, watch till the end and click right here. Want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. So are you ready? Let's go. So let's start facing in this direction, okay? So our next wall will be to our right. So we're moving clockwise, okay? And there's a restart. So in the song, when you hear 1, 2, 3, you start the dance over. And that's going to be at that wall behind you, okay? Both rotation, that's when you're going to start over at the back wall, the wall that's behind you. This is our front wall. So, and I'll show you that when we get to that. Okay. All right, it's going to start with 2 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. When I tap on 8, my right heel is up. So right, tap left, left, right, tap right. Okay? I'm going to move forward with a toe strut. Strut on the right and strut on the left. So it's toe, drop the heel, toe, drop the heel. And that's the toe strut. So let's add that. Moving to the right for 2, moving to the left for 2, and toe strut on the right and toe strut on the left. 5, 6, 7. Go right. Right, left, right, tap left, left, right, tap right. Strut right, strut left. And we're going to move a jazz square quarter turn to our right. So cross over, right, cross. Now that's something a little different. You normally don't do that. But I want you to cross on that jazz square. Step right, and that's by turning your ankle. Right, So we go toe strut, right, and cross. Okay? The reason why we're doing that cross, because we're going to set it up to go to the next step. Okay? And line dancing is all about foot placement to make it easy to go to the next step, okay? So that's why we're crossing over. So let's start over. Moving to the right, moving to the left, toe strut, and right, and cross. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap a toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz square. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next thing we're going to do is a lindy to the right, left, rock back, recover, and do the same thing to the left. Left, rock back, recover. 5, 6, 7. Step right, rock back, recover. Left, rock back, recover. From here, we're going to do 2 kickball change on the right. Kickball change, kickball change. Kickball change, kickball change. And both of them are going to be on the right, okay? Let's start over. So we do 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left, toe strut on the right, toe strut on the left, jazz square, quarter turn to your right, left, cross left. A lindy to the right, we rock back and recover. Right, rock back on the left and recover. Left, rock back on the right and recover. 2 kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. And that's on the right. You're doing 2 kickball change on the right. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. 5, 6, Slide up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the end of the dance. So that's 32 counts. So we should have 4 8 counts. Okay? So the last step was slide right, tap left, slide left, tap right. And I'm doing a diagonal. I'm sliding diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put our count together and make sure we have 4 8 counts because it's a 32 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1 8 count. So toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. 5, 6, 7. Cross 8. That's our second one. Let's do our Linde step. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. That's another 8 count. 2 kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide up 5, tap 6, 7, tap 8. So that is our 4 8 count. So we know that's a 32 count, and we got all our steps in. Okay? Now, we start over again. So we slide right, tap left, slide left, tap right. From here, we're going to start the dance over. So I'm going to get you to the point where there's the restart. The restart always going to come on the back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 5, 6, 7, 8 toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4 jazz square. 5, 6, 7, 8. Linde. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. And the music gonna drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts over, okay? So when you turn to this wall, you're gonna do a Linde to the right, right, left, right, rock, recover, left, right, rock, recover. Then you're gonna start the dance over. Moving to the right. That's a restart. Okay, at this wall right here, the wall that's behind you. Oh, then you continue with the dance. Okay, start over with 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. Continue the dance. Then you're gonna come back to this wall. You're gonna do the same thing, the whole dance, the whole dance. When you get back to this dance, this wall here, you're gonna do that restart again. The restart is once you do that Linde to the right, a Linde to the left, start the dance over. Right, tap left, right, tap right, toe strut. And each time you'll hear the music drop and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then it drops on 4. Start the dance over, okay? So this is the front wall. Your restart always gonna come on the back wall at each rotation, okay? Watch the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. The name of this dance is called Broke. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys always leaving a comment. Y'all guys motivate me. Let me know that I'm on the right track. I appreciate you so much. My name is Linda Sims. I am the WRIGHT teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.